Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing devices. Power the Jio Setup Box and TV, then select the matching HDMI input. This ensures a video path. Next, make sure your phone and the set-top box are on the same Wi-Fi network, because mirroring relies on local connectivity. Once done, navigate the set-top box menu and enable its screen mirroring or cast mode. This opens a discoverable session. You do this first, so the box is ready to accept the incoming connection. Now you will connect. Open the phone's cast, smart view, or screen mirroring option because that's the control point. Scan the available devices and select the Jio set-top box name. Selecting the correct device ensures audio and video route to the TV. When the box displays a pairing prompt or PIN on screen, enter or accept it on your phone to authorize the link. Once connected, the phone duplicates its display, which lets you stream apps, videos, or presentations directly to the TV. Finish by checking playback. Adjust TV volume, and if needed, rotate or scale your phone's display settings so content fits the screen. When you're done, stop mirroring from the phone's cast menu to free the set-top box. If it doesn't work, restart the phone, router, and Jio box because rebooting clears transient network and cache issues. Also make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band. Once corrected, retry pairing. This resolves most common connectivity failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.